What's up, guys? Alex from Ozzy Auto. We're back into the shed today after the cyclone. Pretty limited damage here, nothing going on. But we got a pretty cool build this week. You see behind me here, we got another Sandy Torp Troopy. So we've got a whole draw system from Odyssey to throw in, full electrical package with custom lithium battery, same as we always do. I'll flip you guys around, we'll have a bit of a look. Here's the beast, guys. We got huge lift kit in here, all the suspension, everything done. Looking absolutely great. We got a selection of goodies that we got going on in here. So we're going through our planning phase at the moment. Someone's fitted a compressor and that in the back here. So we're going to install the Odyssey custom drawers, which comes with the false floor and all the drawers that go down the sides and up this side. And there'll be a fridge and stuff at the back here. We're going to do all internal lighting down these strips here. Inside each door, and that'll be controlled from two separate switching panels. You come down here, pretty nice interior in these. You got the automatic, it's got all the dampening suspension. So these are the Odyssey drawers. We're just having our planning phase where everything's being mounted, and on this side here as well, we're going to have a 12-volt hot water go in. So this will have sockets and stuff in here. We got our Bushman stand-up fridge at the back with the wood grain face looking really smick. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll step you guys through this process. Looking forward to it. This has the Headspace conversion as well. So it's very tidy. So this is the Headspace conversion, guys, with the flip-up roof you can see, and it turns the top into your sleeping. It's like a rooftop tent that's built in. So you have your floor here. This literally pushes up. You got two access hatches here, and then this is the whole bed. So when you're inside, this panel pushes up and you can stand up inside. And then when you're sleeping, panel comes down like it is now, but you still got access hatches in and out here. So if your partner's sleeping, they can stay on the other side and you can get in and out from this hatch here. A very good idea rather than having the whole piece as one at the rear. Very tidy install. For those of you looking at the Odyssey drawer fit outs, just to show you some of the quality of all their finishing, it is absolutely immaculate. So we've been very happy with all their fitting. Everything always works. Look at the gapping around here, just absolutely perfect. All black on black. So it suits our style to an absolute T. You see, here's the other piece here. All these little hidey holes. This will be a fold out table and stuff in there. So they've thought of everything. And all the hardware you can feel very robust. All the slides and everything. And the hex supply, you know how much we love the hex supply. So yeah, check them out. Odyssey custom drawers for your Troopy. And they'll fit the false floor in at the back as well. It's all nut certed, ready to go in. So you just line her up, everything bolts down. Okay, day 2 of the Troopy build, guys. We've got this rear right-hand side drawer section. So this is the one with the fridge that goes on the driver's side. We've got the hot water sat in there. We've got plumbing to end up going in there. That'll go out to a shower on the side. So this here will be a shower inlet, and there's a mixer, and that ends up on this front driver side window there. And then we've got the fridge at the back here, and we're going to have a control panel here. So this will be sitting basically right here, this back right-hand side. So when you're standing at the back, you can easily get to the light switches and whatnot. So inside the back here, we have the 240 has been all roughed in. We've got our lighting along the bottoms there. So one light in each window there. So these lights are really good. They'll throw a bit of light inside, which we have the downlights on there also. And because they're on like a 45-degree angle, it'll shoot light outside those wings as well. So that alleviates having to do external lighting as well as internal. So you've got a 2-in-1 there. And these are white and amber and also dimmable. And then on this side, so ALB's put a compressor and stuff in here. We're going to tidy up a little bit of the cabling, and we've got all our circuits roughed through on rolls at the front there, ready to be hooked up. So this will be stuff like our hot water circuit, trigger for the hot water, fridge circuit, a little bit of lighting that I go up the top and stuff like that. And then if you come across here, so this is the front piece of the cabinetry, which goes along here behind the driver's seat. So on here, we've got our battery monitor. This is where the customers opted for this one. So battery monitor, another switch panel. So this will have two-way switching from the front and from the rear, because this is a couch bench. So he wants to be able to lean over the back of the couch and just turn stuff on and off. And then we have our smart solar controller, all our fusing and everything accessible here. This will be all labeled when completed. We have our Redarc DC charger, our road power. So this is also a fuse block, which take care of all the circuits, so that'll do all the lighting. It'll do accessory sockets and whatnot, like these here, USB charging and everything like that. And then we've got our 3000 multi-plus inverter there. So this will all be facing the front of the vehicle. And then in the back, this will actually be a couch sitting on the top there. Because this stuff is a quick view gauge, it's also on Bluetooth on your phone, same as the solar and everything as well. So he doesn't necessarily have to look at this all the time, and he's opted to put it in a spot that's out of the way, but still accessible. So nice job there, Ash has done. You've got all the black ducting and everything and all the cabling hidden. And then basically what we're going to do now is, once everything's roughed in, we're going to put these pieces of cabinetry in their allocated spots where they go. We've got another one to go down the left-hand side here, and we'll get those all bolted down. So stay tuned, and I'll give you an update when that's all done. And she's all done, guys. You have to bear with me. It's a bit windy out here. We're trying to get a nice shot and do a bit of testing out in the paddock. But here it is, the final product. The Odyssey custom fit-out drawers. They look very smick in here. You wouldn't believe it. There's an entire table folded up in here. We've got drawers and everything in the rear. Look at that Hexaply finish. It's so nice. We've got our 3000 inverter, so he can run induction cooking through his power points. We've got more storage over this side. We have a Bushman's stand-up fridge on this side. And then we have our switch panel at the back with all the lights. And inside here, more storage and everything inside here. There's hot water inside of there as well. With our switch here, we can turn it on. And there is two-way switching, which I'll show you in front of this cabinet up here. So we can turn all our lights on from either at the back of the vehicle or inside the vehicle. Now, all our lights are these nice 3-stage lights. So we've got a touch switch there for white, and then amber, and then a multicolor. And then with these ones, you hold it down and they do dim. How good is that? So we got those in every door. So no matter where you are, you got light, and they project outside, and they'll light this entire outside area up as well as internal. So best of both worlds there. If you come around the driver's side, we have our shower fitting here and USB sockets here for their devices. And again, lighting up here. So they have a shower tent and everything added. We've got some nice good light out the side here. And then in behind the seats, here's all the goodies. So we've got our sealed battery inside of here for lithium. We have a isolator to turn the system on and off here, which is labeled. And then we've got sockets as the customers requested. Victron battery monitor, our two-way switching, our Victron solar controller, 3000 inverter. That's our Redarc DC. And then that is our fuse block for all loads. We got major fusing down the bottom here, which is all nicely labeled. So as you can see, very high quality job. And we also have the Safety Dave full-time rear view camera here. So I'll tilt that down so you can see. Look at that, straight out the back. You see the highway cars going. That is a full high definition picture, full-time out the back. So there you go, guys. You want a Troopy build similar to this, come see the team at Ozzy Auto. We got all your caravan camping needs covered.